Good morning, kiddos. Yes, I am rushing to share with you what we are doing today. So let me make my screen a little bit bigger so you can see what's going on. All right, I'm hoping you can see the screen. So, my parents aren't done moving out of our house, and I have to turn over keys today. And the new owners are going to do their final walkthrough today. Anyway, so let's see what we've got going on here. So all kids, you have a video to watch and notes to take. So for government kids, if you'll notice right below this announcement, there are the video for today's notes, and you're going to take these notes. If you go to the assignment link, this is for all classes, both sociology and government. If you go to the assignment link and view the assignment, let's go to this kids view. Okay, the video is there and the document. This is the one you can download and write on. All right, and the same thing. Let's go to sociology class. Just double check here. Sorry, wrong class. So, I don't know why your announcement isn't here. I'll have to do it again. Why isn't it copied to you guys? I just see that it's not. Even though when I say copy to you, it says it is. Anyway, okay, so you also have your assignment here. Kids view. All right, there's your video. There's the link to the Sam Talk. There's the link to the form. So you will be able to fill out the form after you watch the video. And the questions are there. Thank you so much. Let's go real quick. Let's click on that for you. All right, so you'll be putting in your name and telling me all the answers to your questions and hitting submit. And that is for sociology. All right, kiddos, I will be here absolutely tomorrow. Don't forget that we will be working on talking about Rule of the Rich. Have a great day, and I will see you soon.